Welcome to this Toolbox talk on near miss. A near miss is an event or hazard that does not result in injury, illness, or damage, but had the potential to do so. In this Toolbox talk, we will discuss about the unsafe facts and conditions that lead to near misses, about the examples of near misses, and ratio of accidents that happen due to near misses. A near miss is an event or hazard that does not result in injury, illness, or damage, but had the potential to do so. Near misses must be reported, regardless of how severe, in order to ensure that the appropriate steps are taken to prevent a recurrence in which serious injury or loss may occur. Near misses happen in the construction industry on a regular basis. We can recognize near misses and use them as a tool to change processes and prevent future incidents and serious injuries from happening. With proper reporting and investigation, these incidents should never reoccur. We will now discuss, how does a near miss incident occur? Unsafe facts. Performance of a task or other activity that is conducted in a manner that may threaten the health and safety of workers. Unsafe conditions. In the workplace, that is likely to cause property damage or injury. For example, defective tools, equipment, or supplies. Near miss will prevent a task from being completed as planned. Most accidents can be predicted by close calls. These are accidents that almost happened, or possibly did happen, but simply didn't result in an injury this time around. Here are some examples of near misses in the workplace. Missing guardrail, and a person nearly slips into the opening. Using the top of the step ladder as a step. Worker not wearing the proper PPE for the job. Person slips on ice, but does not hurt himself. Collision with the stuff that is placed on the floor. Tool that is dropped and lands beside another person. Equipment nearly contacting overhead power lines. Worker not following proper procedures or safe work practices. Always remember, near misses are warnings that something or someone is not performing the job correctly. Always pay attention to near misses. Don't let near misses repeat themselves, or you may find yourself or a co-worker being treated for an injury that could have been avoided. Here we will discuss a pyramid theory, where after researching and compiling safety data from several companies, it is proposed that we never know which unsafe fact or unsafe condition will cause an incident injury. Statistics show that for every 300 near misses, there are 30 incidents that result in damage to property and 1 fatality. What that means is the more risks you take, the greater likelihood of a serious injury, or worse. Therefore, by monitoring and reporting near misses, you have the opportunity to correct issues with personnel, equipment, and procedures to prevent the negative consequences of an accident. With this, we end this Toolbox talk on near miss. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.